Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are speaking about Nhlanhla General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. This is the breaking news. Ukomishana wamaphoyisa, the boss semaphoyisa kahle kahle, General Fanny Masemola has just announced the fact that Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's contract will be renewed for another term, which means he is still going to be the general of KZN for the next 5 years. I contract yakhe ibiphela at the end of March lonyaka. So these are breaking news. And we know the fact that in the meantime, iMadlanga Commission is continuing. I-alcohol committee yaqhubeka nayo since ukukhuluma kwakhe uNhlanhla ngomhla 7 July, where uNhlanhla akhuluma khona ngayo yonke into izwe ke laselibe omabheketwana. Social media is reacting to it right now. Abanye bathi instead of renewing it, they must elevate this man to a national commissioner. He must take charge of all provinces. But abanye no, renew it until 2077. Umunye uthi if the contract is not renewed, he remain a brigadier or police general and continue cleaning. Also after that, so we want another second term. He must occupy the national commissioner position. So they want him to be the KZN one and the national commissioner, which is Abamfono Sibiya. So that means we're still going to eat salads and 7 colors meal in KZN every weekend. Siyabonga Fanny. Uthomunye kuyozokubulawa nathi singenzanga lutho ke manje kakhulukazi endanda namaphethele uma kusenesigebengu nje sisazobusa eKZN attend imingcwabo. Uthethi komunye uthi uNdibu, it's not like there was another option anyway. I mean, come on now. Utomunye, he must be a national commissioner. He should also be a shadow. He should also be the shadow Minister of Justice, Defense, and Police. Okay. Pain went straight to Sibiya. Yes, West Gang is still going to dance for Mkhwanazi's guitar. Otherwise, it was gonna be who? Of course, you guys had to actually continue in 5 years. It must be renewed to the eternity. Bengekho enye indlela, hide the contracts not being renewed would be viewed as a way to get rid of him. So it's bengekho enye indlela vele if uthi anzange ni renew contracts besobona ukuthi nifuna ukuthi nimlentuze nimkeep. Let him be your deputy, Mr. Masemola. Mosungumenza nje ukuthi athi uthi renew contracts yakhe. Uthi please renew it until 2090. What the fuck? Or beyond, at least boma 2090 so forth. Mkhwanazi is a clear example that South Africans can stand behind an individual irrespective of the language or nationality. Very true. At this stage, Mkhwanazi is not supported by KZN or by the Zulu Nation, whatever. Mkhwanazi is the very first South African who's being supported by all the tribes, nationality. But there's one thing that is common about South Africans at this stage, and one, we all love Mkhwanazi. Everyone loves Mkhwanazi. Almost the whole country loves Mkhwanazi, which means sometimes we're not a bad country. Why is I'm telling Ramaphosa? Because he's got mistakes. So anyway, those are new news, or the latest news. Mkhwanazi, as he has gained another 5 years to stay in KZN. Azame ukuthi enzenjani a clean as usual. We want to say congratulations to Mkhwanazi. We hope ukuthi usazoqhubeka iphathe kahle KZN. And meantime lapha iMadlanga Commission uSagen Fanny Nkosi testify before the commission uthi ke yena ucabanga ukuthi there was a question bembuzo ukuthi injani i-relationship ya suspended deputy national police uCommissioner Shadrack Sibiya kanye no Mkhwanazi. Usethi ke hayi no, utshela evident leader u-advocate Matthew ukuthi ngokwazi kwakhe yena uSibiya uyamthanda uMkhwanazi. Uthi cha akazama uzokhulumela uSibiya, kodwa ngokwazi kwakhe wazi ukuthi uSibiya was fond of uMkhwanazi ngoba ngalendlela ukuthi ngomunye unyaka yena Fani Inkosi wathunywa eKZN ecela uShadrack Sibiya ethi akahambe emkhulumela noNhlanhla because there was a crack kuma relationship up othi efuthi bengamthandi wengeke amthume lapha ecothe balungise i-relationship because wayebona ukuthi ayisi kahle when it comes to umsebenzi. Well, my opinion, if he says that, I think ubekayazi into ayenzayo uSibiya ubefuna vele ukuthi abe in good terms ukuze akwazi ukuqhubeka nobugebengu lokho kade benza. Otherwise izinto zakhe ukuthi hayi ukuthi zasi-genuine ukuthi wefuna ukuthi azwane noNhlanhla, cha siyamazi nje ukuthi uyisigebengu uShadrack Sibiya engathi futhi angasuspendwa until the eternity comes. Anyway, congratulations Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.